Hi guys, so I want to do a quick update of how my pantry looks after 1 month of remodeling it, and I just want to give you an idea of how this is working. I did not clean anything, I did not organize anything, I just came in here and I'm just showing you what it looks like. So let's jump on in. So this is what it looks like. I did not clean anything, I did not straighten up anything, but I just want to give you real life and show you how it looks after a month. It's not bad. I mean, just gotta do some tidying, you know, like this. Gotta switch around. Over here is kind of a mess, which we gotta clean up. But it works out because my kids know exactly where everything goes. I mean, some things I'm not gonna ask for perfection from them, but at least they know, like tea. You know, they could have took these out and put them in there, which I will do. But I have to say that this is working very well. My kids really like it because they can find everything. And it's not super neat, but it's a lot better than the way I had this before. So as you can see, it works. It's not perfect, and I'm okay with that because I don't expect perfection because nothing is perfect in this world. I will link down below or an eye over here of the video I did showing you how I remodeled this pantry, but it works great for my kids and my husband and myself, and they know where everything goes, but it's doing its job, and I really love the way it looks and that it's still maintained. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Please hit the subscribe button down below, and until we meet again guys, have a very blessed day. Bye.